So this is like a skill workout.
Okay.
It's a skill workout. But for me, my thing is I like to rep out the 5 shots that I'm gonna do in the game mostly.
Okay.
Like I know I'm gonna get my transition threes. I'm gonna get catch and shoot threes. I'm gonna get to my mid-range spot, right? I'm gonna have to come off the screen and I'm gonna have to knock down shots, right? Yep. Because overseas, everyone knows they play a lot of drop coverage. There's no 3 seconds in overseas.
That's an all overseas league.
All overseas. Right? There's no 3. NBA is the only 3 seconds that you got.
I forgot. Is that why a lot of players say it's a lot harder overseas than?
And they can go to where you at too. Right?
Yeah, and if the ball is on top of the rim, you can knock it off. You can knock it off.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Bro.
So I know I'm gonna get those shots in the game, so I just try to master that shit.
Well, and it's a lot more help D, right?
A lot more help D. That's why you see me shooting out there. Like I gotta make sure, especially as a small guard, I gotta spread the floor.
Yeah.
Like,
well, you want to do the interview right here? Interview. Bro, it's good work today,
yes,
bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Give me your honest opinion how I did.
Honest opinion,
like for 3 years out, now hooper. I'm not a hooper. I'm not even considered a hooper.
What am I comparing you to, though?
Like
a actual pro?
Not an actual pro, because I got a lot to work on.
Okay.
All right. Give me some things I did good on, and give me some things I need to work on if I want to improve my game from where I'm at right now.
I would easily say when you get tired, you get up high, you get higher. So when you're making shots, you're fresh, right? Yep. Now when you add cardio into it, your body automatically you get higher and higher. So just the discipline part, what we were kind of already talking about a little bit, the discipline part, staying low, making sure your mechanics are straight, and then the footwork, right? It was you had it, but there was something that you got away from it a little bit, like
that little drag.
Yeah. I'm a real attention to detail with that kind of stuff.
I feel like my pull-up's cool, right?
Pull-up is cool. You kind of fade a little bit sometimes too, right? Okay. You shoot your best when you shoot vertical.
Yeah.
When you shoot vertical. Yeah.
And then them tendencies kind of fall out when you tired.
Yeah.
That's normal though. But the good I think that separates the good players from the great players though, right?
You gotta have that mental toughness. Have that mental toughness, and the ones who lock in and discipline the most are the ones that they rise to the top, bro.
What would you say? Because you're going pro now, right? Let's go into that real quick before I ask the next question, right? Okay. You were in college, right? Where were you going to college?
I was at Pensacola State.
Pensacola State?
Yep.
And how many years of eligibility do you have left?
I got 2 more. I got 2 more years.
Okay.
Man, I've been around pros my entire life, man. Pops is a professional trainer. He's been doing this for like 20 plus years. I've seen what it takes to go overseas and succeed.
What was that determining factor that made you say, like, okay, I'm not going to play these next 2 years and I'm just going to jump straight to the pros?
I see it all the time where people do 4 years of college and they still can't get a job overseas. So I'd rather get a head start. I'd rather work I get this, I get out the mud, bro. If I got to go to a small league and work my way up, that's what I'm going to do. But I'm not afraid to work. Like, I'm ready for whatever. So
where you're going overseas right now?
Mexico.
Mexico?
Going to Mexico.
And are you playing on a team out of Mexico, or what's going on?
It's a tour. It's a tour right now, so okay. I'm still exploring my options. It's still early until like the recruitment process. So hopefully I could get a job out somewhere. But the goal for sure is overseas. So y'all catch me. Y'all see me. Y'all see me.
No, bro. Like growing up, like. Obviously, we grew up together.
Yes, sir.
I met you maybe at the YMCA, fifth grade, probably.
Southwest YMCA.
Southwest YMCA.
Shout out Southwest YMCA.
Hey, you know Houston too.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We're still looking for Houston, bro.
That's good.
He ghosted.
I know.
And he's been low.
Okay.
No, we've been we going back for years, and you've probably been like that player that's been like the most mentally tough, like locked in. Like you see players naturally gifted or some. That would be good until 9th, 10th grade, and they're on like the prep hoops, top 10, but the mental's not there. Right. And like that was always one thing I realized from you is like you and your dad always stay like this, and like never let outside distractions distract you.
For sure.
What's your advice to like up and coming high schoolers? Like what should they work on to make it to that next level?
My advice would be, man, stay. I know it's simple, but it's so true, bro. Stay in the gym, bro. Stay in the gym. Get your reps in. It's gonna be days it's gonna be days where you don't want to go. Like you definitely have the days where you want to go, but I feel like the hardest thing sometimes is getting to the gym.
Yeah,
that's the hardest part. When you in the gym,
I remember the little 6 a.m. days, bro. It sucked.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Legs
sir.
heavy.
Legs heavy.
The pull-ups, you just want to fall over.
Man, you get out of bed, you feel that cold air, you want to get back in bed, but it's just like, bro, the hardest part is I feel like it's getting to the gym. Once you in the gym, the rest will take care of itself.
Yep.
Right.
And then it just get the day going.
Yes, sir. The mental, yes, and it's the mental part of my opponents is sleeping.
Yep.
I'm getting better, and my opponents is sleeping right now, so that's how I look at it.
Exactly, bro. So not only working out, but you like, is there anything mentally, physically, getting in the gym, diet? Like, do you make sure that's all straight too?
Oh yeah, yeah, of course. Especially, I mean, as a professional, your body is your. I look at food like fuel.
Yep.
Right, like maybe Pops might be a Honda, but you can't put the same fuel in a Honda in a Ferrari.
Exactly. No, you can't.
You feel what I'm saying?
It's not gonna run.
So it's not gonna run. So you definitely got to take care of your body in that fashion, and mentally too. Like meditation, super important. Yoga is another way. Like taking care of your body, bro. Like you can lift as much as you want, but if you can't be mobile, bro, it's over for you. You gotta be mobile too. So for sure.
And I don't know if too many players know, but you've gone through some pretty serious injuries, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, what injuries did you go through?
I went through two meniscus tears, and I went through a grade 3 ankle sprain. So I've been to all the top-notch Midwest trainers. I've been to top physical therapy. So it's definitely like for the people. I have so much respect for the people that went through crazy injuries and came back, bro, because mentally you could definitely lose track of yourself in general.
And emotionally too, right? Yes. You go fall through depression sometimes, right?
Yes, sir.
Like, and that's not uncommon. Like, a lot of athletes go through trouble. Like they go through injuries and stuff like that.
Yep.
So how do you stay like mentally strong, like, and like keep a good spirit through that process?
I give all glory to God, bro, because He's given me another opportunity to do it over again every single day. Like, not everyone wakes up. I don't want to sound like that, but not everyone gets to wake up the next day, or not everyone can get to their destination where they want to get to. You know what I'm saying? So it's just the opportunity of even getting the opportunity to get better in general. And if you love the game, bro, you're gonna want to get better. You're gonna want to get after it every single day. So that's how I look at it.
Okay, cool. And a couple more questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Obviously, I had aspirations. I wanted to go pro. I feel like every kid to a point wanted to go pro. Mm-hmm. I feel like for me that road is kind of getting narrow. I don't feel like I have a passion for it. But what are you most excited for the kids or the hoopers that end up will never going pro? Or what are you most excited for going overseas?
Man, I just always wanted to travel the world, bro, because I just feel like the U.S. is very different from other countries. Yeah. And I just want to explore different cultures, and I want to do what I love, play basketball and travel the world, and get paid to do it.
Yep.
Like, I'm getting paid to do what I love, and I'm traveling the world. Everything is free. So,
it don't get better than that, bro.
It don't get nothing better than that, and just being able to enjoy it with my family. So, I got a daughter now. I got
congrats
a fiance,
on that, bro.
Just being able to take. I take it off when I work out, but it's definitely in the bag.
And he's next up right here, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then
I'm in an interview right now, baby.
Oh, so you good? You good?
It's all good.
Well, last question, right? Obviously, the ball stopped rolling eventually, right?
Yeah.
What's like your long-term goals after basketball stops? Like, what do you see yourself doing?
I would definitely two things for sure is I want to give back to my community. So I'm a professional trainer right now. Me and my pops. Shout out Big Dreams.
Oh, yeah, shout out the service.
Shout out Big Dreams, bro. I'm a skill and development coach.
How can they get a hold of you?
Man, through social media, Instagram, mke.tre.
Okay.
My Facebook, my Twitter, Tre Valeriano, TreValeriano.
I'm gonna drop it for you.
But and then
give it back to the community.
Give back to the community. I just think that in order for the game to grow, you gotta be as much wisdom as I got, and people that taught you basketball throughout the line. I want to do the same thing for the younger generation. So, and then second would be real estate, man. Like I just I just want to own. I want to own as much property as possible, and just be able to be financially free for my family. So.
That's great, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Well, that wraps up everything for me.
Yes, sir.
I think we're going to the sauna next to wrap things up.
We going to the sauna. We talked about recovery too. Okay. As a professional, got to take care of your body, bro. Got to take it. So sauna is one of the best ways you can take care of your body for sure.
Sweet, bro. So let's get to the sauna, bro.
Yes,
I appreciate today,
yes, sir.
bro.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you. Shout out the channel. Doing big things. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.